Overwhelmed by bipolar depression? Ask about Vraylar. Not all types of depression should be treated the same. Vraylar effectively helps relieve all symptoms of stroke. Call your doctor about unusual changes in behavior or suicidal thoughts. Antidepressants can increase these. But there was something left in the tire treads. Cellulose fiber. It's basically a... Anything from the kissing fish side of the tank? Not getting any internet or cell signals from inside the building at all. Even if the phones are turned off.
Hey guys, so today in this video I'm going to be seeing how Windows 10 on this Dell Optiplex 760 will be formed. It has an Intel Core 2 Duo. It originally came with Windows 7. It has 4 gigabytes of, I don't know what type of RAM it has, and the mouse fell. Oh great. I'm using a standard Dell keyboard, generic mouse, and this AOC 1080p monitor, using a VGA hookup to the computer. And why is it showing a blank screen? This might take several minutes. I'll be back when it's at the desktop. And yes, this is the first, or not the first, one of the many videos I'm editing with KineMaster. First one in a while. Okay, it's at the desktop. I have no sound for some reason. Probably because I don't have my speakers and everything set up. Or it's just finding the driver for it. Anyway, I'm just gonna get some external speakers and I'll be back with you guys. And also guys, sorry for the background sound. Our TV is turned on. Might as well just mute that right now.
Isn't it always heading?
And there's my new puppy. His name is Charlie. So we got the computer all set up. Speakers are working. Yeah, I have some programs on this computer because I used this one when I was like 10 and 11. Yes, Angry Birds. I remember playing that on here. Sadly, doesn't support it anymore because when I try and run it. It just gives me an error. But at least the Bad Piggies thing still works. And what Microsoft calls new and improved browser. It runs really slow on these old PCs. And yes, I have a DisplayPort to HDMI on this computer. Sadly, this monitor does not have HDMI, even though it's a 1080p monitor. Here's all the hookups, if you guys can see it. Let me turn on flash. I'm recording with a phone. Here's all the hookups. guys can see them. It's only a DVI and VGA monitor. So yeah, so the first thing is loading times in Google Chrome. Not too bad. And then loading a web page. I'm just going to go with the Windows Vienna Update Center. I might try and install Windows Vienna on this Dell Optiplex, because I got Vista running on this one before. I hate how Discord always starts up when you just turn on your computer. Discord has to turn on. It's taking awfully slow to load Windows Vienna Update Center on Windows 10. There we go. I already have a ISO downloaded on here. File Explorer takes a while to load on these old computers. On files, there's files on here. Wait, I don't even want to show you. These files are private. I would try and screencast, but I can't bring it over to KineMaster for some reason. So it's looking good so far. Is this the ultimate resolution? Is this 1920 by 1080? That's the ultimate resolution. Oh, I gotta activate Windows. This originally had Windows 7 Pro. I know it said Home Premium. I just installed Home Premium. But it has a key for Windows 7 Pro, which I could use to get Windows 10. Activation server. I have to go to troubleshoot on these old computers for some reason. If this is too painful, then I'm probably just going to downgrade it back to 7. And then keep using 7 on here. Because 7 runs really good on this. Especially because this computer is from like mid-2010 or 2009, around that range. Activate Windows. We activated this copy of Windows. Okay, it's activated. Yep, if you guys can see, 1920 by 1080. This video will probably be 720p 60. If not, it will just be 720p 30. 100%. I like 175%. This looks a lot sharper. Or it's 150, 150. It just looks a lot better on this monitor. Comment down below if you agree this looks better. Wow, yes, I still have Mario Forever on here. I might have to cut this video short. Microsoft Solitaire Collection. How will that run on here? Or if this video gets too long, it's going to have to be 480p. Taking awfully slow to load. I would use Cortana, but this thing doesn't have a microphone. Well, I do have a webcam, so I guess maybe I could try using Cortana. Again, here's a last look at all the ports on the back of this computer. You got the power supply, which is still good. Got a couple more It's not all the way in. And we got these $30, $40 speakers. Sadly, no subwoofer. Putting underneath the table will get you guys a better look. And yes, I have a Netgear Wi-Fi adapter installed in here as well. VGA cable. This also has a serial port. Sadly, no PS2 port, so I can't use my original Microsoft mouse or stuff like that. I think the original Microsoft mouse is PS2, or it could be serial. Who knows? It's kind of lagging. Don't judge me on solitaire. I suck. Okay, so that is a bit laggy. Yes, Roblox player. So, overall, Windows 10, if you're using this just for browsing the web and stuff, you could get away using this with Windows 10. But if you're like gaming and stuff, then you could probably do better with 7. So, thanks for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. See you all in the next video. Bye, guys.